Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so glad that I'm going to share with you about what they call the Boolean operators. So this helps to enhance our research processes because it makes it more precise, more efficient, and we are able to locate whatever we want with ease there because of the Boolean operators. So first of all, the examples of the Boolean operators are the AND, that is the AND, or just OR, and NOT, which is NOT. Yeah, those are the Boolean operators. So like we have and narrows down, like it is specific. You're going to be specific. So like we say, for example, our research topic is the factors that influence climatic change in Uganda and Kenya. You get? So you're going to be specific, like here you're specific. The and helps us to be more specific, like on what we want. And of course, it comes when you need two or more things. So like for this case, we are looking for factors that influence climatic change in Uganda and Kenya. So whatever that will come out of this research work will be factors that influence the climatic change in these two countries, which is Uganda and Kenya. So that is for the and case. Then if we come to all, like still on the same topic, we have factors that influence climatic change in Uganda or Kenya. Here you're going to be broad, like you either want it in Uganda or your research can be in Kenya. But here you're not specific. Any of the two countries can work. So like that is what we use when we are not specific. Then another one, the last one, which is not, let's say, still on the same topic, we have factors that influence climatic change in Uganda and not Kenya. So with this, you have narrowed it down. So like, remember the difference between not and is that and is like you're bringing in two aspects of something, but then not, you're being more precise and specific, like it's only in one thing. So for the purpose of illustration, let's get going. Like I have this, so our topic is factors that influence climate change. So here we are going to say in Uganda. The first one is and, so we are going to look for this in Uganda and Kenya. So like, of course, what we have here is only going to be in Uganda and Kenya. So like, they've given us the various factors that influence the climatic change in Uganda and Kenya. So like, if you go through this, you realize that factors given is they're talking about Uganda and Kenya, of course. Then so what if we want to narrow it down, like mm, we bring in or there and research. But of course, the things will be similar because this is something, but just to bring in the aspect of it. So, like, if we're going to search about this, is like the same thing. Of course, Uganda and Kenya, and Uganda or Kenya. So we can use the same thing because, like, we are all being. But I'm just trying to bring it out, like you understand that different how the two applies. Then what if we want to say Uganda and not Kenya? So here, what happens if we search? So you find that here, in fact, all of it is just on Uganda because we have included Uganda and not Kenya. We have eliminated Kenya out. So like you find out that this whole thing is about Uganda only. And so that's as brief as that. It's how the Boolean operators work. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.